Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Assignee on ClickUp. Watch the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to assign a task to someone on ClickUp, there are multiple places where you can assign the task. Tap open your ClickUp application and then sign into your account if necessary. You can assign one person, multiple people, or a team to one of the tasks on your ClickUp. First, go ahead and create a task. In order to add an assignee to it, tap on the rainbow button at the bottom of the screen and then tap on New Task in order to create a task. Go ahead and create a task name by typing it in the task name text field. Once you type in the task name, pick a location by tapping on this button over here and then select a location where you would like to create the task on. Once you do so, you'll be able to see an option that says Add Assignee. Tap on Add Assignee and select one of the contacts to whom you would like to assign the task. Once you select the person, tap on Done at the upper right and you'll be able to assign the task to someone else. Now, after you're done, go and tap on the Send button. Now you can go and add a description for your task, set the priority for your task from urgent to low or simply no priority at all. If you want to add more assignees, tap on this Assignee button and select more from your contacts. Into the date category, you can go ahead and select the start date and then the due date. And finally, you can also add the time for the task. Now, finally tap on Done and tap on Send at the bottom right. Now the task has been moved to the location that you've selected during the task creation process. That is how you can assign a task to someone else on ClickUp. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.